Hi, my name is Miguel Lopez de Leon. Today I'm going to be doing a day in the life author video. I love seeing what other authors are doing, how they spend their time, what an average work day is like. So I love watching these types of videos. Most of my days as an author are spent in front of the computer. A lot of authors do their own book promotion, all the organizing that goes into having products on the internet. It's morning now, so let's get started with this day. So most days I am sitting at the computer and I usually always have ideas for new books and new book projects I want to do. I also spend a lot of time promoting the existing books I already have available. So a lot of promotion, a lot of organizing. So I'm just doing a bit more computer work, a bit more promoting, and a bit more finishing of projects that need to get done. I was a little hesitant to share some of my books with you because I didn't want this to come off like an ad, but how could I do a day in the life author video without mentioning my books? It's kind of weird. I thought I'd just be honest and show you what I do. My newest book is called Babble Magic, and it's a middle grade fantasy novel, and a lot of my time recently, because it only came out a couple months ago, has been spent promoting it. It's a lot of changing things on my website, miguellopezdeleon.com. It's a lot of sending emails, letting people know that the book is out, sending it to bloggers, reviewers, stuff like that. A lot of times writers talk about the writing of the manuscript and their book, but there are little things too that are just as important, like for example, Babble Magic, picking the title. So I wanted something simple, and I wanted something that as soon as you hear it, you know what genre it is, and you know for what age group it probably is. I wanted the word magic in it, so you know more or less it's a fantasy. And Babble Magic just sounded kind of fun and kind of light. I work with cover designers, and they do a great job. And there's a lot of thinking that goes into that because you want to make sure it's correct for your audience. So I wanted bright colors. It's something, again, that at a glance conveys what your genre is, mine being middle grade fantasy. Of course, the back cover text, which is really important because for me, that's not just on the back of the book, but it's also on all the descriptions where the book is being sold. I tried to keep it very simple. The first line is wizards, magic, squirrels. Bax is the young apprentice of a very ill-tempered sorcerer. Together, they make up the obscure field of wizardry known as Babble Magic, a branch that focuses on trying to make animals speak. So far, they have had zero success. But after years of grueling work, a moody squirrel finally begins to utter a single word. Is this irritable squirrel the breakthrough that Bax and his mentor have been waiting for? With the annual wizard convention just around the corner, they want to make sure to have something, anything to report. And with other magical branches like dream magic, shadow magic, and fairy magic as their competition, a lot is riding on this grouchy woodland creature. Babble Magic is an exciting fantasy adventure full of deadly combat, media-savvy sorceresses, blind ambition, and a whole world bursting with supernatural danger. Babble Magic. This squirrel is nuts. So from the back cover text, you could see it's playful. It's meant for younger but also older readers, and it is its genre. Everything from the title to the bright colors of the cover to the light and hopefully fun back cover text. And that, a lot of thought goes into that. Myself and a lot of writers spend a lot of time with those kind of details. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I'll probably just continue returning emails and making sure everything for Babble Magic is up to date today. More computer work. thank you for joining me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to make more of them soon. See you later.